next to hold the broken glass while you remove the cable. You need
Vice grip.
two of these to lock the cable. We're gonna save the remove the original cable, so it's very easy. You just pull it,
Twist it up.
twist it, and then yeah, so it comes out very easy. And the cable, so okay, you locked it, okay, and then pull it out from the center and then pull aside. So transferring the cable is very easy. There's no need to buy the original cable or get a new cable. So the passenger side is the same thing. You just twist the end cap open and then remove the cable, the end cable from the slot. So test the glass first. After you trim the old glue down, place the glass on the opening to make sure that it's the correct glass before you proceed to apply new glue. So we're gonna reconnect the cable. So you just pull out the cable and insert the cable end back to the slot right next to the center glass. It's the same thing like the original. So you wanna push the center glass to the left side and okay, and then release the clamp and snap back the end cable to the track. So that's it. Now we're gonna do the driver side. It's the same concept. Insert the cable end to the track right next to the center glass. Okay, and now we're gonna release the cable. You want to pull the center piece to stretch the cable. Now we release the cable and snap the end. So yeah, so it's you just snap it on back on. Yep. So it's very easy. There's no need to replace the cable. So you remove it from the broken glass and then pull it aside, prepare the new glass, and then reconnect it. We're gonna test the power. So when you turn on your power, test it, it looks like this is perfect. Power is connected. Now you can proceed to apply new glue. So we're gonna connect the heat. This is the heat.
Okay.
So the heat connector is connected back. We cut the one on our slider and connect it to your truck with a what do you call this? The connector?
Connector.
Yeah, connector. We're doing the same thing for the passenger side. So cut the cable on the new glass and also from your truck and connect it back together with a connector. Now we're applying new glue. So make sure the new glue that you apply, it's at least, so here is at least more than ½ inches, close to 1 inch. So it gotta be tall. Apply a piece of blue tape on the glass and then put the suction cup. Prepare to apply the glass right now. So put the tape to hold the glass in position first. And as you can see, once you put the glass on the glue, it's still popping out because the glue is still very high and very tall. So now is the time to adjust. We're gonna press it down to bond with the glue. So it should align with the body like this. Now we're gonna apply the heat, the cover for the heated elements. So just apply a little bit glue on the back and then put it over the heated elements. So we do it at the end. We purposely put it right next to the glass so you can do it at the end. If we apply it for you before we ship, it will be on the way. So it's working perfectly right now.